Struggling to cook healthy meals without sacrificing the taste quality? Or do you want to cook crispy fries, golden toast, and delicious meals with less oil and less hassle? You are in the right place. Whether you want healthier meals or to save precious counter space, the right air fryer toaster oven can change your kitchen. In this video, we will reveal the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens that are really powerful, easy to use, flexible, affordable, and solid quality. If you're new to cooking or an experienced homemaker, this video will help you select the right choice. Check the links in the description to find your favorite one. The 5th product on our list is BLACK+DECKER Crisp. This BLACK+DECKER 5-in-1 air fryer toaster oven is one of the most compact, powerful, and affordable budget kitchen gadgets, which you can use in your kitchen. It's designed to give you flexible cooking options while saving precious counter space. With 5 multifunctional settings like air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm, you'll have everything you need to prepare crispy fries, golden toast, or even a perfectly baked pizza. Also, you will get advanced air frying technology. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods with little to no oil, keeping things healthier without sacrificing flavor. The Even Toast technology from BLACK+DECKER truly makes this oven unique. Each time, you'll enjoy regularly toasted bread, bagels, or English muffins without any irritating hot areas. The interior is both large and lightweight, which you will love. It easily fits a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread that is perfect for small family meals, snacks, or quick bites without cluttering your kitchen. The standout advantage of this oven is its user-friendly controls that will make your cooking stress-free. With a 30-minute timer and straightforward dials, precision cooking is simple even if you're not a pro. Additionally, a removable crumb tray and integrated accessories like a wire rack, bake pan, and air fry mesh tray make cleaning easy to do. Do you want a space-saving, flexible to use, and budget-friendly ovens? This BLACK+DECKER air fryer oven can be your ideal choice for your kitchen. The 4th place on our list is Cuisinart TOA95. This Cuisinart TOA95 air fryer toaster oven is the best powerful, smart, and multifunctional countertop ovens that you can buy. It's made with a premium 1800-watt motor to handle just about everything. If you're air frying, baking, broiling, toasting, roasting, or even slow cooking, you can make them easily. With 13 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, slow cook, dual cook, reheat, and warm, you will be able to choose from many choices. Its wide temperature range, from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, is capable of giving you total control over your cooking. The most powerful advantage of this product is its extra-large capacity. Whether you're air frying up to 4 pounds of food, roasting a full chicken, baking a 13-inch pizza, or toasting 9 bagel halves at once, this oven has the space to handle it all. Also, it comes with a 3-year warranty, a large viewing window, and an interior light, so you can easily monitor your cooking without opening the door. The low-temperature setting is perfect for braising and delicate cooking, while dedicated modes for dehydrating, slow cooking, and proofing expand your recipe options. In addition to offering high-speed, high-heat airflow for crispy results, the fan and heater work exceptionally. Cleanup is simple too. Here you will find non-stick interior and dishwasher-safe accessories like the oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket. The cleanup process will not be difficult for you. Looking for an all-in-one powerful countertop oven that can air fry, slow cook, and roast a whole chicken with ease? This Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven can be the smarties option for your kitchen. The 3rd product on our list is the Kosori air fryer toaster oven combo. If you're looking for a multifunctional air fryer oven that can manage everything that you do, this Kosori air fryer toaster oven combo could be your best pick. With 12 types of cooking functions like air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, and more, you will find that you can cook food in a single machine, which you did not think was possible. The first outstanding feature is that it's family-sized. Whether you're toasting 6 slices of bread, baking a 12-inch pizza, or roasting a 5-pound whole chicken, This oven has the space to cook for everyone, so it will be perfect for your everyday dinners or special holiday meals. In this oven, you will get 6 heat elements and a powerful 2-speed fan. Your food cooks more quickly and properly than in normal ovens. Your food is ready in a few minutes, so you don't need to wait longer. Another standout feature is their VSync app. It will allow you to control it using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant by connecting your oven. With the help of new recipes along with comprehensive instructions, you will feel like an expert even if you're just recently started. This oven is made from strong stainless steel and looks just as good as it operates. The cleaning process is easy too, with a removable crumb tray and non-stick food tray to keep your kitchen neat and clean. Keep in mind, to start using this oven, you will need a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection and standard US-Canada voltage. Do you want a smart, powerful, and time-saving oven? This Kosori air fryer toaster oven combo makes your cooking easier, faster, and smarter. The second product on our list is the Breville BOV900BSS. The Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is one of the most advanced and feature-packed countertop ovens. It is built to make your cooking faster, easier, and more adaptable to a single stylish instrument. With its Element IQ system and 5 independent quartz elements, this oven effectively focuses heating precisely where it's needed regularly. Digital PID temperature control allows you to achieve perfect results and bid cold spots farewell. The Brevel produces delicious food, whether it's homemade dried fruits, chicken wings, or crispy fries, due to its easy air fry and dehydrate settings. By increasing heat airflow, its super fanning technology can save cooking times by up to 30% while maintaining crispy, golden results. This oven comes with 13 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, pizza, slow cook, and more. If you purchase this oven, you will get a full kitchen packed into one appliance. It's like having a toaster, pizza oven, air fryer, and dehydrator all in one. Also, you will get an oven light so you can check your food anytime. A clear LCD display that keeps track of your cooking process with ease. Moreover, its extra-large capacity makes it ideal for parties or gatherings of relatives, as it can easily handle a 14-pound turkey, a 13-inch pizza, or 9 pieces of food. Do you want an all-in-one oven that can handle almost anything? The Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro could be the smartest premium choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Ninja SP101. This Ninja Foodie SP101 digital air fry oven is the adaptable and space-saving countertop ovens that you can use in your kitchen. It's not just an oven, it's an 8-in-1 powerhouse that allows you to air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and keep warm, combined into a single stylish compact machine. It's designed to deliver fast, crisp, and guilt-free meals. This oven is powered by 1800 watts and equipped with digital crisp control technology that will deliver precision-controlled temperature, heat source, and airflow for perfectly cooked meals every time. It works very quickly with 60-second preheat and up to 60% faster cooking than other old ovens, so you can enjoy full meals in as little as 20 minutes. The air fry function uses up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Also, this oven has a large cooking capacity big enough to fit a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts easily in a healthier way. When you are done cooking, just flip it up and away to free up 50% more counter space. The cleanup system is very easy. It comes with a removable crumb tray and an accessible back panel, making deep cleaning hassle-free. Looking for a multifunctional oven that cooks faster, healthier, and saves counter space? This Ninja Foodie SP101 digital air fry oven could be the smartest addition to your kitchen. Whether you're roasting chicken, air frying snacks, or baking cookies, it's ready to make it all quickly and efficiently. That's all for our list of the top 5 air fryer toaster ovens on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.